Hello everyone, let's learn how to hide Instagram story from someone. Hiding your Instagram story can be a useful feature when you want to share moments with your followers but prefer to keep them hidden from certain people, such as acquaintances, coworkers, or ex-partners. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Instagram app on your device. Next, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu, then you need to click on First Option Settings and Privacy. Now you are on Settings menu, and you need to scroll down to go on Who Can See Your Content section, and when you come on that section go on Hide Story and Live. After that again click on Hide Story and Live. Now you need to select the account from you want to hide story. Also you can select by tapping on search bar and type nickname of that people, and when you find click on people you want and you or hide your story from him. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.